Hello, students. So we are discussing today one more topic, that is a small project, solar-powered water purifier and time dispenser. So this is a very simple project using Arduino. Well, how does it work? When RFID is tapped, the pump turns on and digital run pump pin high, it will be there. This is about the codes. A 20-second countdown starts. You can adjust the dispenser duration if needed. That means in the codes, we can change the timings. After 20 seconds, the system automatically calls stop. That is, it will automatically stop, or it will stop dispensing the water, which turns off the pump. That is digital pin. It will be low, like it will say low. So the relay will come low and naturally the pump will stop. Plays a confirmation beep. That is, one LED is there that we will see in the schematic diagram, and we'll see that will give a beep, or it will fluctuate like. On the display, that is LCD, what we have used, LCD. So on the display, it will be written completed. Manual override. So there is a button, there is a switch. In the middle, we can stop the process anytime by pressing the button. That means it will stop the motor, and that is dispensing. Now, important, what are the components we have used in this? So this is an Arduino Uno board we have used. Okay, it's an Arduino Uno based project, simple project. That is the main microcontroller. We have also used solar panel, as everything is working on solar. That is, the whole system will work on solar. So we have to have a solar panel. That is primary power source with battery backups. That is, solar panel will charge the battery. So we should have a battery backup. We should also have a water purification system. It can be a purification system, or already stored tanks can be there, or UV sterilization or filtration process. You can add any of the things. We can put it on any of the devices. We are using an ultrasonic sensor that is HCSR04, measures water level in the storage tank. It will be kept on the top, which will measure the water level. That means if the water is down, it will not dispense the water, or the motor won't stop. RFID reader we have used here, that is MFRC 522. Like if suppose somebody wants to pay for it, or some authentication is needed for that purpose, MFRC 522 has been used. That is, when we tap the card in front of this reader, then only the motor or the operation starts. We have used a 16:2 LCD display. That is, all the status information will be there on the display. Water pump for dispensing water, relay module, battery, 7805 regulator, because I have given a separate power supply for motor, because it will take more of a current. That's why I've kept it separately. For that purpose, I've used a 7805. LED and few resistors. So these are the things what we require. Working principle: solar panel charges the battery, first of all, during daytime. The system remains in standby mode until the authorized RFID card is detected. That means until you bring or authorize the card near to the RFID, then only the process will start. Upon authentication, the user can dispense water, purified water. Ultrasonic sensor monitors water level to prevent dry running, right? Okay, if the tank goes dry, that adjustments we can do it in the codes. LCD display system status, water level, and battery status. So this is the working principle, that how the parts will be working. How to use: upload the code to the Arduino, right? As soon as you do the connection, upload the codes to the Arduino. Measure your tank dimension and adjust dimension. That is, how big is the tank, what is the height, where you have put the sensor. From there, you have to give the complete details in the codes. Tank empty height and tank full height, everything you have to give in the codes. Okay, this is the tank empty height and tank full height. These are the two parameters. Replace RFID UID with your own authorized card. That is, what card you are going to accept, or what is the number of that card. You have to already declare in it, so that nobody else can dispense this. Only that particular card will only read. Test the system by tapping the RFID card. Okay, so this is the simple this thing. This is a simple diagram, schematic diagram I have made. I'll be sharing this diagram. Before this, let's go directly. First, we'll directly go to the lab and we'll see the operation. We have discussed in this. That is project name is solar power water purifier timed water dispenser. That means whenever you want water, it can be dispensing the water, and it's connected to water purifier. Okay, so we will discuss in our lab what are the parts and how does it work. All right. First of all, I will just tell you what are the parts I have used, and then I will discuss about how does it work. So please see here. This is the main part. That is where I'm putting my pencil. This is my Arduino board. So I have used Arduino board. There is an ultrasonic sensor which senses the water. That is, it will be there in your tank. Okay. So it will sense what is the level of the water. This will be sensed. Okay. Right. I have used an RFID. That is, RFID number is MFRC 522. Okay. So this is the ID. So, and I've also used a 16x2 display, the normal display. I've also used a motor, that is pump motor, which will be inside, submersible motor, which will be inside your tank, and a relay, which will be outside, which will drive the pump motor. I have used a separate regulator, that is 7805, which is kept over here. You can see that is from here output. I have given connection to the motor through your relay. Okay. And I have used a solar panel which will charge through this board. That is, we call it as a charging control. Through this board, it will be charging the battery in the daytime. Right? So solar powered based water purifier, right? And timed water dispenser, the name. Okay. Of course, I have also used a switch over here. Switch is for suppose emergency, the water is enough. I can stop with the help of this. This is the indicator. In fact, this indicator, this LED, I can use one buzzer also so that it will be giving some sound. Since the sound will not be recorded, so I have used a LED, so which gives a beep sort of an indication, or it will give you some light off. Of course, I have used a power switch also, which is coming from the battery. That means to power the whole circuit. Okay, so this is the setup. So I will just switch it on and I will show you how does this work. So I will switch on the battery. Okay, so it has switched on. You can see here on the display, it has come. Once again, water level is 50 centimeters. Tap RFID card. Okay, so once again, I will show you in the beginning what it comes. Solar STO system, right? Solar STO system is whatever name you want, you can put it. And water 50 centimeter tap RFID is, card. So what I will do is I will tap this RFID card. As soon as I tap this RFID card, right? So it will send pulses. It will be going to the Arduino. From Arduino, it will be controlling this. That is your relay, and relay will be driving the motor. This is my pump motor. Okay, so this it will be delayed. So I will just show you how does it work. Okay, so I will just put a card over here and I will show it to you. I will put a card. Yeah, the motor has started and it is dispensing. It is showing 16 seconds also, right? I can press the button also, but dispensing 11 seconds left. I have given a timing display of 20 seconds. Automatically after 20 seconds, the motor should stop. Okay, it has stopped. Dispensing complete. It has come over here. Again, it has come to the original position. Okay, please remember this level, if it is very, very less, that means if the water level is less, the whole thing circuit will go to the error code. It will say there is an error. So since you can adjust all the levels, that is tank level, where and what is the bottom level, everything can be adjusted with the help of a code, right? So I will tell you once again how does it. So first of all, solar panel. From solar panel, it will come to the charging. This is charging. This is your charging board, which will charge the battery. Directly it will go to the batteries. That means rechargeable battery will be charged. Okay. The same battery connection I have given it to the Arduino board. This is my Arduino board. So V in is the connection, that is input connection I have given. And only for this, that is enough, this RFID, I've taken 3.3 volts from here. Please remember, this one will work with 3.3 volts. Okay, this one will work with. Rest of the other things will work with 5 volt. Okay, so this will charge the batteries. In the whole battery connection, I have given it to the board. From board again 3.3 here, and rest of the 5 volt it will be working with this and LED and the relay also. This relay also. All of them will be working with 5 volt. Okay, so I have given a switch over here. This is my switch. This is my main switch. I'm switching it off. I will just show it to you. Now this whole thing is switched off. I can switch it on again. As you can see, I will just press it again. Okay, so I will press it again. Now it is in the initial position. I will take the RFID card and I will just tap it on the RFID reader. You can see the blink has come once and my motor has started. Okay, my motor has started. Now I didn't dip it into the this one. This is only a project just to show you, right? Okay. Suppose emergency. Now it is what is written on this dispensing 3 seconds, 2 seconds, 0, and it stopped. Okay. So in the emergency, I can press this button and I can stop it immediately. Okay, so this will tell about the your tanks, and this will give you the complete information. What is the water level, and tap your RFID card. Okay, so this is the circuit. I hope you like this circuit, and I will share the circuit as well as the codes with you. So please, you can try. This is a very simple project, non-IoT project, but you will enjoy it. Something new. We are into our code parts. So we have a codes in Arduino ID. First of all, you have to select the board. That is already we have selected Arduino. Tools, you have to select the port, which port is connected. Right now I'm not connected, so it will be port will be highlighted at the time. So you have to select that port. Next comes these three things. These are the libraries, that is SPI, MFRC 2522, and liquid crystal. Then we are defining the pins. These are the complete pins which we have defined. That is RST pin 9, SS pin 10, trigger pin 6. This is a SS pin and SS pin, and RS reset pin is about the RFID. Trigger pin is for your pin number 6, and echo pin is of your ultrasonic sensor. Pump pin is 5 and UV pin is A4. This I have not connected. Please remember, I have not used this UV pin because I have taken only one. So I can use one more relay if I want. Okay, for starting the UV light or something like that, I can, of course, I can use that also. So buzzer pin is 3. Here in the interface of buzzer, I have used LED. But button pin is pin number 2. So these are the liquid crystal details which have been given, right? What are the pins used for this? And down below, you will have MFRC about details of our order. So this, please remember, there are 2 cards you can put it. You can enroll 2 cards here. So what I did is I have enrolled only 1 card over here, only 1 card. That is the digital I have already given here. That is FC, CO, CO, and 60. So you can add 1 more card over here, and you can change the values over here. Road water level starts with the 0, then false. Then this is the timing I've given. That is 20 seconds I've given, and how the status of the button. And then we are defining the pins. These are the complete pins which we have defined. That is RST pin 9, SS pin 10, trigger pin 6. This is a SS pin and SS pin, and RS reset pin is about the RFID. Trigger pin is for your pin number 6, and echo pin is of your ultrasonic sensor. Pump pin it is 9600, and display starts, and all the trigger pin, echo pin, all in and out. I have given it here. Okay, in while loop, it will tell you what is the water level and what is the status of the button, and dispensing status. Then in measuring, that is void measure water level. First we will measure the water level, then dispensing standby status. Okay, hearing this code also. So it's a very simple and easy project. You can just start and doing it, because new innovative type of project we'll be trying to do it. I hope you liked it. If any suggestions and comments are there, please let me know. Right, thank you for watching.